Hello everybody, welcome to this breaking news. My name is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions, and we've been following this story for months now of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. This device was rumored to come out in September, but as of recording this video in September, we've got a whole bunch of news that this device will be released or pre-registered or released on September 14th. Now, let's go and take a tour back down to memory lane. The Galaxy Fold was announced in 2018 with a release date of 2019. The device came out to some publications and YouTubers and it had problems with screens and stuff like that. So Samsung decided to recall the device and put it in hospice care. Now, the Galaxy Fold has been in hospice care for months now. And the last time we reported on this, the Galaxy Fold was in recovery. I do have Eric out there live on location to give us a full update on the Samsung Galaxy Fold that's already in the hospital in recovery. And he's going to give us all his insight on what's going on with the Galaxy Fold. But Samsung has put out rumors, all kinds of rumors out that the Galaxy Fold will be released on September 14th. Now, if you go to Samsung.com, you will see a pre-registration with the Galaxy Fold. But without further ado, we're going to switch it over to Eric. He's out there on location, live on location, to give us full coverage about the Galaxy Fold. Eric, take it away. Thank you, Eric. I'm live here on location to give you full updates on the Galaxy Fold. Right now, it is in full recovery as we've been reporting for months and months now that the Galaxy Fold has been in the Samsung Memorial Hospital under heavy care with the Samsung doctors and nurse. Now, as of right now, we've been hearing all the rumors that the Galaxy Fold in the United States will have a release date on September 14th. Now, that's pretty strange, taking it that the iPhone keynote address is September 10th. I think that Samsung probably trying to steal some of Apple thunder. Well, that's remained to be seen. But right here in the hospital, the Galaxy Fold is getting round-the-clock care from the Samsung doctors and nurses and everything. But I'm going to show you a sneak peek on the recovery room of the Galaxy Fold. So let's go on and go right now into the Galaxy Fold recovery room. Let's go. Yes, so as you can see, Samsung is doing its due diligence right now with the Galaxy Fold. It has full machinery to make sure that the device folds in and out and in and out. And they have Samsung doctors that's monitoring all this progress with the Galaxy Fold. As you can see, Samsung is trying to make a full comeback in a full recovery state with the Galaxy Fold. And as you can see, definitely Samsung is on their P's and Q's to make sure that the Galaxy Fold doesn't fail again. Now, again, it's rumor has it that the Galaxy Fold will come out on September 14th. Now, we've been talking about this for months and months and months. Samsung did say that the Galaxy Fold will come out in September. Now, if you go to Samsung.com, you will see that it's pre-registration orders for the Galaxy Fold. And as you can see, the Galaxy Fold is getting a full workout to make sure that it's ready for prime time. But stay tuned. We got a lot of coverage with the Galaxy Fold, and hopefully that this device will never get recalled again. But as you know, we go stay on top of the story 100% right here on this YouTube channel. Eric, thank you. Take it back. Thank you, Eric, for that insight. And again, we will keep you posted on this breaking news about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And the question I pose to you guys in the comments down below, would you pay $1,900+ for this device, and knowing that all the issues that it had? Do you believe that Samsung has fixed everything with the Galaxy Fold? Are you willing to part ways with almost $2,000 of your hard-earned money of the Galaxy Fold? Well, we have to wait and see. For all the coverage of the Galaxy Fold, stay tuned and subscribe. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Fold in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.